kids, welcome to Pastel Paws and Pals. Pitter-patter, raindrops fall. Swirl says, come and play, friends all. Cotton hops with happy feet. Rainy days are cool and sweet. Splash, splash, jump and play, laughing in the rain today. Clap your hands and twirl around, happy raindrops all around. Caramel runs with boots so blue, splashing puddles, 1, 2, 2. Lemon flaps with joyful cheer, rainy days always bring us near. Splash, splash, jump and play, smiles will brighten every day. Umbrellas up, let's all sing, rainy days are everything. Clouds move by, the sun says hi, rainbow stretches through the sky. Pastel paws and pals all cheer, rainy fun is always here.